Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Pure Biology, and today I come with the video that is continuing from the first part, standard deviation, and it is a topic related to biostatistics. Okay, and before going to this topic, I just want to say I am very thankful for you who have already subscribed my channel. And I also request you to check out all my previous videos that is related to different topic, biostatistics, invertebrates and another topic. So you just check out all the videos, and today's topic is the standard deviation, and that is the second part of the standard deviation, because I have already explained the first part, standard deviation, and this is just the continuing part of the SD, and here I will try to discuss the different problems related to this SD, that means how to calculate SD in different problems. So let's continue. Here one problem is that the profit is 10 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. That means there is the profit is the in the form of ranges, not the exact value. That is in the form of ranges. That means 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, just like this. So in that cases, we have to first calculate the mean values. Between these two, we have to calculate the mean values. How to calculate the mean value? Nothing it is very easy. Just add these two number and divide by 2. That is divided by 2. So here the 50 is your number and divided by 2, the 25 is your number. So these mean values are the exact x values or the observation. And number of company, that means the f is these are the f values. Okay, and now here we have to calculate the d value, fd and fd square, and after that standard deviation. So first I am just following the shortcut method way, and what is the shortcut method way I just have explained in my previous part 1. Okay, so you just check out that one. Okay, so this is the shortcut method I will follow. First we have to take one value from the mean value, that is the assumed mean. So here I have taken 65 is as the assumed mean, and then how to calculate this d value? Nothing, it is very easy. Just x minus a divided by c. What is c? C is the ranges 20 to 30. The between the ranges 20 to 30, the range is 10. Okay, range is 10. You just 30 minus just subtract 30 minus 20, so you will get the value 10. So this is the c value. And now first we have to calculate d equals to x minus a is the assumed mean, divided by c. So just I have already written here how to calculate this. So just I put the values. Okay, so here the answer is 4, here the answer is minus 3, here the answer is minus 2, here minus 1, next 0, then plus 1, then plus 2 and plus 3. Okay, so after calculating this, here the summation of f we have to write here. Okay, summation of f, that is 500. Okay, that is 500 summation of f. And now we have to calculate the fd value. Fd means just multiplying f and d. So f is here 30 and d is minus 4. So answer is minus 120. In the same way, that becomes 174, and that becomes 124, that becomes minus 85, that becomes 0, and that becomes 70, and next one 114, and then 78. Okay, so here how to calculate this? Minus 3 into 58. Okay, minus 2 into 62, minus 1 into 85, 0 into 112, then 1 into 70, and plus 2 into 57, and 3 plus 3 into 26. Okay, so next the summation is here, summation of FD, that is equals to minus 241. Okay, just I have to give the process how to calculate this value. Summation of FD, that is equals to minus 503 and then plus 262. So answer is minus 241. Just adding the plus values and adding the minus values, just answer is minus 241. Then FD square, squaring D and multiplied by F. Okay, so answer is 480. Squaring D, 4 square means 16 and 16 into 3, 48, so 480. Then 3 square is 9 and 9 into 58, answer is 522. In the same way, 248, this is 248, this is 85, okay, and this is 0, then 70, then 228, and then 234. Okay, so next we have to calculate the summation of FD square. Just adding the values, you will get the number 1867. Clear? So we have all the values, FD values, FD square, A and C. Now we have to calculate, just I am rubbing this number because already you have seen how to calculate the mean value. Okay, so here the formula is sigma equals to root over of summation of FD square by N minus summation of FD by N whole square. You can write here I or C, the same value. The I value is 10, obviously that is equal to C value. So I value and C value is same. Now sigma equals to, just put the values, summation of FD square is 1867 and N value is what? N value is 500 minus summation of FD is what? 241, minus 241. Okay, so you just write here minus 241 by 500 square into I means 10. So the value is 1867 by 500. This value is approximately 734. Okay, and minus 0.232. This is the value coming from this side. And now into 10. So just after subtracting this one, you will get the value 3.502 into 10. So squaring 3.502, answer that becomes 1.871 into 10. So value is 18.71 approx. Okay. So this is the SD value or sigma value. Okay. So here we just learned how to calculate the SD value in case of ranges are there, not proper X values. Okay, so this is the process. And here another term is there, how to calculate the variance. Okay, how to calculate the variance. Variance is sigma square. So the value is sigma is this one, 18.71 squaring this. Okay. So here the value of the variance, that is the sigma square. So I just stop my video because I am just calculating this how to calculate this sigma square value or what is the value of this. So just 18.771 square is the value is 350.06. So this is the way by which you can calculate the variance and SD. Okay, sorry, ignore the noises. Okay, just ignore it. I'm requesting you. Okay, so this is the actual problem by which we can easily calculate the SD value and the variance. Okay, in the next problem, we will see that what is the problem and how to calculate the SD value. Okay. Okay, so here we have to know what is the covariance. Covariance is the actual measure of the statistical association between the two variables. If the variables are two, x and y, in that case we have to measure the statistical association between the two values. Okay, and here the variance is equal to, that is the x minus, that is the variance means sigma square, and one thing I have to say, that is, one second, coefficient of variance. Okay, this is another thing. Obviously, when the SD is there, then coefficient of variance in percentage, okay, that is equals to SD by arithmetic mean into 100. Okay, so percentage of the coefficient of variance when the SD is known, this is another thing obviously not related with that. So if I just forgot to explain this, okay, in the previous problem. So if SD is there, then coefficient of the variance in percentage, that means the SD divided by arithmetic mean into 100, by which we can easily calculate. Okay, so let's continue with this. So here the variance describes the tendency of a set of measurements, that means the variables that obviously vary, and here the variance equals to summation of summation of x minus x bar whole square by n minus 1. Okay, so summation of x minus x bar whole square by n minus 1. And in that situation, the covariance covariance of xy, how to calculate this covariance of xy, that is the summation of x minus x bar and y minus y bar multiplied, obviously the multiplication of x minus x bar and y minus y bar by, that is divided by n, by which we can easily calculate this covariance of xy, that means two variables. And you can write this formula in the easiest form, obviously, that means the summation of xy by n minus summation of x by n and summation of y by n. So you can write this formula in such manner. And in case of combined mean, how to calculate the combined mean? You see, it is just occurring in the or it is following this formula. Okay, what is this? N1 into x1 bar plus n2 into x2 bar by n1 plus n2. Suppose n1 another variables and n1 is the number of one variables and n2 is the number of other variables. In such case, the first variables mean is this one and second variables mean is this one. So in that situation, x bar is calculating by this formula. Okay, and here how to calculate the sigma? Root over of n1 sigma 1 square plus n2 sigma 2 square plus n1 d1 square plus n2 d2 square and divided by n1 plus n2. You just write in this following such manner or this manner, obviously. Just n1 is common here, so sigma 1 square plus d1 square plus n2 is common here, so sigma 2 square plus d2 square by n1 plus n2, and here d1 equals to the x1 bar, that means x1 bar is the mean of the n1 values, okay, and that is subtracted from only x bar, okay, and d2 is the x2 bar minus x bar. So in that way, first we have to calculate the d1 and d2 value, and then the sigma 1 square and sigma 2 square obviously. After that, we put in this value, we will get actual sigma. So this is obviously another information and another calculation. So I think you understood this, how to calculate this one. These are the formula. After that, we will solve the problems related to this formula. Clear? So you can see here, sorry. So you can see here, these are the numbers, and 1, 10, 2, 9, 3, 8, these are the numbers. So first, this number we have to take as the x values, and these numbers we have to take the y values, okay. So then after that, we what we will have to calculate the summation of x. Summation of x is just adding the x values, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10, okay. So answer is 55. Clear? Next, summation of y value, 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 8 plus 6 plus 12 plus 4 plus 3 plus 18, and then plus 2. The value is here 80, okay, and here the n value is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay, 10 value, and x bar is 55 by 10, so value is 5.5, and y bar equals to 80 by 10, so value is 8. Clear? Then summation of xy. Xy means 1 into 10 plus 2 into 9 plus 3 into 8 plus 4 into 8 plus 5 into 6 plus 6 into 12 plus 7 into 4 plus 8 into 3 plus 9 into 18, and then plus 10 into 2, okay. So value is what? 10 plus 18 plus 24 plus 32 plus 30 plus 72 plus 28 plus 24 plus 162, then plus 20, okay, plus 20, okay. So value is what? 420. Clear? 420. So what is the formula of the covariance? Summation of xy by n minus summation of x by n and summation of y by n. Clear? Just putting the values, 420 by 10 minus summation of x is what? 55. 55 by 10 and 80 by 10, or you can write these values, okay. I just explained it elaborately, so that's why I just here put the values of this. Okay, so here the value is, first one is 42 and minus 5.5 into 8. So value is 42 minus 44, that means minus 2. The covariance value is minus 2. Okay, you all understood how to calculate the covariance value. This is the very simplest problem, and in that case, if there are x and y values both are there, so in that case you just calculate these values in such a manner. Clear? So this is my second second part of the standard deviation or SD value, and I will explain the continuing problems and another topic related to SD in my the next video. So continue with me and thank you.